Hello families, welcome to our Family Math Night video. Today we're going to learn about equivalent fractions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use visual models and a simple rule to find and explain equivalent fractions. Let's get started. First, let's look at a visual model. Here we have a pizza. And we see here, this pizza is cut into 6 equal slices, and we ate 3 of them. So now we can write what we have left as a fraction, 3/6. 3 out of the 6 left. Now, if we were to divide or cut each slice into halves, like this, how many slices would we have now? So we have this visual model. How many slices do we have now? If you said 12, you are correct. There are 12 slices now if we split each in half. And now we've eaten 6 of them. So 3/6 is the same as 6/12. Both fractions represent the same amount of pizza, just in different sized pieces. Next, let's find an equivalent fractions using a simple rule or a standard algorithm. If we multiply the top number, called the numerator, and the bottom number, called the denominator, by the same number, we get an equivalent fraction. Let's try with 3/6. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. And we get 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. So 3/6 equals 6/12. Both fractions are equivalent because we multiplied by a fraction that is equal to 1. 2/2 is equal to 1. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try finding an equivalent fraction for 2/4 using items you have at home. You could use fruits, pieces of traditional dish, or even drawings. Remember to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. In real life, you might use equivalent fractions when cooking. For example, if a recipe needs a half cup of sugar, but you only have a fourth cup measure, you know that 1/2 is the same as 2/4. You can measure 2 1/4 cups to get 1/2 cup. These are equivalent fractions. Or imagine you're sharing a traditional dish with your family. If you cut it into 8 pieces and take 4, you've taken 4 out of 8. But if you cut it into 4 pieces and take 2, you've taken 2 out of 4. Both are the same amount. To recap, equivalent fractions can be found by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Practice finding your own equivalent fractions and see how they appear in your daily life. Thanks for watching and happy fraction finding.